Why do my brakes make noise when wet? Disc brakes squeak after car sits overnight. Most brakes squeak after sitting overnight. This is usually due to moisture from rain, dew, or condensation that collects on the surface of the rotors. Rust also cause pad impressions on rotors, which in turn cause a thumping noise or brake pulsation.